I have looked in the markets, in the stores, on the internet for white chocolate. Because it's supposed to be better for you in some aspects, but not all. Any chocolate, too much of it, is not good. But I'm looking for something with low potassium, lower than dark chocolate, because it's got to either be dark chocolate or white chocolate. And like I said, I've been looking everywhere for white chocolate. I even went to C's. I thought they would have lots of white chocolate. At least they had a couple of pieces. I tried it. They had nuts. One had nuts. One had some other type of stuff in it, almost like a Heath bar type thing. But today, for $8.90, because I paid about that much or more for C's for something that wasn't quite all white chocolate. Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. Rocky Mountain. $8.50. No, $8.90. Handmade bars. It's original. It's original. So I am quite happy that I found a white chocolate bar. Because a long time ago, a very long time ago, I used to buy white chocolate bars. I think it was a novelty back then. And I did buy it a few times at different places. I know that I think Hershey's have a bar, but it's got some peanuts or something in it. But I think I can have a white chocolate bar. Just one. Because normally it melts right in the mouth. I only need one. And it's so good. White chocolate. Rocky Mountain versus Seed Candy. They had a couple of other white chocolate with nuts. And they even have a whole bar. 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 pieces. $8.90. I'll see you in my next video. So good.